I think we're good.
Order?
Yeah,
I want to
400.
do that.
Right? Is it 400 or
world
200?
Order,
Or 300?
Let's do 400.
Okay.
3. This 3, 2. Wait, we need to send everyone to survival as well. Wait, 3.
I already said everyone to survival.
Okay, wait. Okay, wait.
Did Meepy just say he'd be right back?
Yeah.
Oh my god, no.
Maybe the whole premise of this episode is trying to keep him alive.
Real.
While he's AFK.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah!
We're still in an adventure. Okay.
Hi.
You know what would be really funny is if the birds that all coincidentally wearing the same skin teamed.
That'd be so crazy and insane, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Do you want to go to the village and...
Yeah.
I just kind of want to get into... Where are you, for one? I can't see you. Okay, there we go. Wait, how many lives?
Alright. We can see it on the thing, right? Or no, that depends.
Well, yeah, but it's funner if we do it through interaction.
Yeah, where are you? Holy shit! Because Onion will have 3. Yeah, I'm gonna give Onion 1. I'm gonna give Onion 1.
Yeah. We should probably go find like a mine shaft or something. Yeah, I agree. We need to go for underground. Should I check water cave? Thanks. Do you want to go over to the village? No, they've already been to the village.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Just go this way towards the desert bit.
Alright. I don't think Meepy heard you.
Well, shout at him.
Jesus Christ, it's already night. Okay, whatever. Everything's so slow. I don't know why. Okay. Where did it go? I thought I saw... There he is. Nope! There we go. Someone was already down here. I don't want to rush that. What the hell are they doing? Why am I so shaky, bro? Nothing even happened. Oh.
Hi, Cup.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
So, it looks like you're, dark green, and I'm wondering if I could get a life, maybe, and so we could both be on for. Whoa!
Damn it!
Whoa!
Oh, I didn't even see that death message, actually.
Yeah, it was right when you asked where I was, and then I died.
Oh, I didn't see that.
How many bones do you have?
None.
Okay.
I was crafting. Okay. Oh wait, I used my cobblestone. Alright, here comes me. Guess what I have?
Oh, sick. Wait, where's the mine shaft?
Up this way.
Is Onion with you?
I don't know where I'm
Guys, look.
I see me. Is that a wild?
Oh, hi guys.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
We weren't going to kill you. You just
Yeah.
kind of started it.
I thought you were going to kill me.
No.
No, Several was threatening me because of the light.
No. Yeah, and I wasn't even going to attack you, and then you started attacking me. So
You were going to if I didn't give you a life.
I don't know. Who stole my iron? Wolz. You stole.
We're going to.
I'll give you a bat. It was 5.
5. Oh, thank you for the 4 extra iron.
It's like a weeping angel, bro. I turn around and I just see Weepy slowly.
I'm the new addition to Minecraft.
Yeah.
It's
We
the
brought the
creeping
creaking.
Let's be
We
added
brought
to
the
Minecraft.
we brought the
Well, there's
creaking
parrots,
into
Yeah,
the
yeah,
game.
turn around.
Look how much iron you
There's
have.
no like birds.
Oh no!
Bluetooth, look at your inventory. That's something.
Oh nice.
I want to kill him. I hate green villagers.
I'm aware.
I was gonna kill that Enderman. Where'd he go?
Do you like the food source you gave everyone?
Yeah,
it's
it's
actually
really nice.
delicious, bro.
The rest is for everyone.
I'm gonna have a pet with me.
That's great.
Whoops, I didn't mean to do
That's a
that.
door.
I have one at Pet
Where'd
Excellent.
Onion go?
What do you mean? Oh, I think he said I'll be
Onion
right
lo-
back.
Oh. Nice.
I'm gonna smelt the raw iron I have. I can make... It's not work. Oh. I crafted
Did you forget?
the pickaxe wrong.
How did you craft?
Don't ask, please.
I have
It's good-
30 cobweb. I think I'm.
It's gonna make me feel a lot
Wait, come
stupider
here.
than I am. Yeah?
Come here.
Oh,
Seeing
wait,
us?
what the hell? That's cool. Weird, but cool.
I haven't seen anything from Popz. What is Popz up to?
But all Popz did was kill someone immediately once PvP got turned on.
Well, he has a shield. I haven't
Mhm.
seen any other progressive advancements towards Popz.
No, I don't think he really...
Alright, you wanna go to the big cave now?
One more second. I'm still finding some iron to mine.
If you want to get 3 more, I could get a lava bucket. And then, hey, do you have my furnace?
It's all oh, please tell me you didn't craft the pickaxe.
I didn't.
Okay, good, I have a pickaxe for you. Here you go.
Alright.
Take it. Take it! Maybe. Take the... Thank you.
I took it. Hey. Alright,
More
now...
iron. Alright, we can go... Oh, shit, hold on. Alright, let's go back to... Let's go... The furnace is over there. It's still smelting iron. I found a solution. You can have the rest of that. I don't care.
I need 2 more.
Is there
for
not...
helmet.
Oh. Is there not enough in there?
No.
Whoopsie.
I'll only have a total of 3. Oh, there's some here.
Is there really?
There's 1.
There was just one.
Yeah, there's just a singular one.
Onion does not
So like
communicate back.
So like I remembered that there's actually some right here. Right here. Here, actually.
Are you trying to do the
Alright.
Nuba thing?
So my neck's actually tickling a bit in the left.
Bro is not Nuba Fox here.
So actually, it's right above me.
Did Popz
Right
just
here.
now get an iron pickaxe?
Yeah.
Is he okay?
Popz should be in full netherite by now.
Yeah, that's usually how he is.
On Nuba. I need the Nuba spirit with me. I don't think it worked. That's probably why. He was jumped again.
Should I give him another life?
Yeah, give him one. You
Okay.
have 4 anyways.
Yeah. But I don't want all my lives to be wasted on him. That's the thing.
Well,
Alright, now we're all
we
equal.
gotta get up to the surface and help Onion. Because Onion is going to die again.
Well, no, he has time to come over here now because they can't spawn kill him because that's against the rules.
I'll depart from
Oh,
there.
hey.
What? Did you see Herobrine? What'd you find? Wow! It's so magical. What are you doing? Is your nostril tingling? What are you doing? Did you find something?
I'm not crazy, I swear to God.
What are you doing?
I'm not crazy.
You find something? Oh my god, a creeper.
I'm not crazy. I swear to God. I swear.
Hey, Onion needs help. Onion needs help.
What do you mean? Oh, what's he saying?
I don't know, he just said he needs help. I think he's getting chased again, like hard targeted by them.
Alright, go up there. Go up there.
I don't know where to go.
I don't know where to go
I'll
either.
just...
Yeah, go up.
Can you please come up with me?
I'll be there soon, I promise. I'm just looking for one thing,
like,
I promise.
Actually, because I need help. Diamonds, I have a singular diamond. You can make a shovel if you want.
Yeah, hold on. Bingo. Diamonds! I might have to. Oh my god, my heart's beating so fast. No, I'm not gonna do that. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Dude. What in the world? Ooh. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna look down here for 1 second. No. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Oh my god. What the hell?
Full diamond.
Onion
Cobb
is
is in
over
full
there.
diamond.
Okay.
Okay,
Huh?
what's my destroy base? What's my destroy base?
Okay, yeah.
What are you talking
Oh,
about?
okay, just build like
Dude,
a little
I need
thing around this
pickaxe.
tree. Okay, how did wait? They actually fell for it?
Yeah, they fell for it.
Oh, Cobb, this is a
Oh.
dumb
Okay.
Oh,
decision.
hey, Cobb.
Hi there. Oh crap, there's a lot of you.
Oh my god.
This
Are they
is
okay, guys?
Cobb.
Cobb, is this Cobb?
Mm,
I'm very shaky right now and I have no
Hi.
clue why.
Wait, you have an enchanted
Risible
diamond sword.
Cobb.
I have full enchanted diamond
You can probably
everything.
take me out of the series, man. Hi, Cobb. How's your day going? Look below.
Pretty good. Oh crap, I didn't see that. Oh, okay.
Sorry, Cobb. It didn't have to be like this, Cobb.
oh my god.
Damn it.
No way.
No. For that.
Split this. Here, that's me piece. That's yours. I have diamonds for you guys too.
I need to turn
I
the
have-
volume down.
There you go. There you go.
Okay,
What did you just give me? Oh, thanks.
I got distracted if you guys couldn't tell.
I could tell.
Watch out! Is everything okay?
I like the screams.
Dude, we're gonna run back over and they're gonna be like, oh shit.
I got projectile protection.
I
I'm
got
sorry.
Protection 1.
I'm so I got
really
pro-
shuffled through.
I have protection 1, protection 1, protection 1, and protection 1 and everything. I got lucky.
I was like 3v1ing for like half the game.
I know, I'm so sorry. That's my fault. Meepy was like, we should keep going up, and I was like, hold on, I wanna see if I can get these diamonds. Who's over
managed
there?
to kill several.
Someone's over there.
Oh, sorry.
Sinks it's
Stop, I hit you.
All right. Do you guys have everything?
I think so.
You
Yeah,
guys fully enchanted?
Well, I'm not fully enchanted.
from
I'm
what
as
I-
enchanted as my level.
Have the bow.
Back there.
I have the bow.
I don't have it.
Oh, Onion
People
can have the
were
bow.
absolutely missing last time.
Oh, I actually.
Onion
did.
can have the bow.
Yeah.
You just
The arrow just.
you just threw it off the edge.
Oh. Okay, I'll take up position.
I'm going down real quick.
Can you shoot the arrow back?
No.
Oh wait, he almost died to the creeper.
No, I knew what I was doing. Hey, could you Thank you.
There's one.
Apparently he knew what he was doing. I kind of don't think he did, honestly.
I ran past the creeper to grab the bow, otherwise the creeper would have blown out the bow. I know what I was doing.
Nah, yeah, sure. That's what they all say.
I just said okay, whatever.
Oh wait, I don't have water. I don't have
He's
water.
coming for us. He's coming up.
I don't have
I'm
water.
doing is
Hey,
I'm
my
trying
water! You stole my water.
My water just got destroyed. I don't
I'm
have water.
bridging
Someone's wearing your skin.
Wait.
Whose wolf is
Everyone
this?
turn into wolves. Everyone turn into wolves. Turn into wolves.
I don't trust it.
Okay. Bird's gonna die to the dog.
Wait, no, every.
Several
Wait.
look. Several look. They'll never see it coming.
I can hear you idiots!
This is so
You don't know
stupid.
what you'll never see.
Why have you just got a door at the end of
I got
it?
killed by my own teammate. That's so sad.
Hi guys.
It's Hero Brian. Oh no!
Oh my god.
I always see it coming.
No.
That's because I'm always coming.
No, you're wearing my skin. I can't shoot myself.
Actually,
They know,
Shannon, it's
they
highly
know our one
recommended.
counter.
I
you
am a
Wembo?
Hex
Oh, I thought you were a Wembu.
No, I'm Harold.
I have to do it. No.
And then there's just Popz being his.
I have a bow.
I have
So,
an arrow.
Several down here.
can I have your
Actually,
arrow?
I think
Wait, is that
Popz
Pop
has an arrow.
shooting at you?
Yeah, Popz is. We killed Popz twice.
Pop's is down there.
Don't go that way. Don't go that way. Don't. Whatever you do,
This
do
is
not go
better
that
than
way.
Sky
That is.
Battle changed my mind.
Pop, stop bowing us.
Wolz.
You
Wolz,
can
where-
make
where-
that jump, and you can come up here, and you can join us.
He was
No, don't do it. Popsicle.
I think he
It's as scuffed as hell. It's literally 8:30. We started an hour.
We're going to remove the.
You're waiting for me to
water.
get up there so you can
This
kill
is
me.
your last chance to jump up.
Guys, behind. Meepy's here. Meepy's here.
Oh.
Guys, Meepy.
Oh.
No! No! Okay, Popz.
Yes!
Wait, how did he
Popz.
die?
Popz.
Bro, I like when that happened.
No way.
Oh my god.
Maybe
Hey, beautiful.
Hey.
Maybe go for it.
Yes!
No!
Dude.
God.
Oh my god. Oh my god, dude.
No! I'm so close! If I could just... Yes! Alright.
Dude.
Popz tried to kill me.
I know.
Dude, what the hell?
Oh, no spawn killing. No
We can
spawn
spawn
killing.
kill.
Onion,
No, no,
no,
no,
spawn
spawn.
killing.
It's late
No,
enough.
no,
yeah,
no.
because
Dude, let me get my water.
It's late enough in the game that we should be able to spawn
No.
kill, in my opinion.
No, dude. Okay, well, can I have a 1v1 at least? One
No. I don't agree with that.
Dude.
Hey. Pop.
Okay. Frick.
Do you want to just? I think time has passed.
Oh god.
Onions!
I don't care.
Yes!
Oh, sorry, one person. Wait, one person still.
Alright. We just need to kill Popz.
Who gets the win out of this? After this?
Depends. We gotta figure that one out.
Okay. Do you want to just battle royale after this? What is your advantage? This is such a scuff fight.
Maybe you're attacking the wrong person. We got this, guys!
Don't hit that! Don't go into a 1x1. What are you doing? Seriously, you can't abuse border.
I don't think he's trying to. I think we're just hitting him, man.
Why are you hitting me? Why are you hitting me?
God, he keeps using the border. Guys! Guys!
Just the border. That is against him. Just that is always.
Guys! Help! What?
The server. No,
What
it
the
said
hell
the
just-
server will be.
It did
server
it?
restarted.
Okay.
The server restarted.
Dude, it was right at the climax, too. Jesus
Why did
Christ.
you guys have this?
Meepy, why were you killing me?
And Popz too, like.
Deal. Right? Meepy, I'm looking at you.
Oh, is that why Meepy was attacking me?
Yes.
I was doing
Oh, I'm
this
just
video,
oblivious.
and I realized that I was actually.
You started,
using my
Meepy, you
sword
got me on a
after-
heart. I was on a heart. Where is Popz?
Oh, wait, the border's still shrinking. He needs to hurry.
5,
5,
2,
4, 3, 2,
I'm lagging.
1. It's time to fight me.
Okay, my bridging is so off. My bridging is so off. Oh, no.
Oh!
Wait, okay, wait, don't kill yet, don't kill yet. Battle royale. Okay, each go to one corner,
Okay.
and then we just, except I'm not gonna go all the way down, 'cause that would be different.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, 3, 2, 1.
I have the
Go.
unlucky corner.
I suck at PvP, bro.
I feel like we might be.
Lagging by-
Oh, the world border,
Are
guys. We
you
got no failure on the world border side.
I have a
Popz, you've
genuine
already won one.
corner.
You've already
You
won
guys
one.
lagging?
Mhm.
Not really, no.
Oh. Oh my god, look at my ping.
Oh, you bitch.
Look in tab real quick. Look in tab. Look in
Wait,
tab.
oh, my shield isn't working. Oh my god, I'm so
We're still
stupid.
fighting, by the way.
I know, look in tab.
No,
God damn it, I suck at this so much, bro.
I'm
my
not
my
one
gameplay is so dead.
Why'd you do that, bro?
I misclick.
Wait, where are you? I'm so confused. Oh my god, my shield broke!
So broke.
No! No!
Maybe go out creative. I actually hit you instead of Cobb.
Oh my god, that stupid world border! No! I keep forgetting that I don't have a shield.
This is such a scum fight. This is such a bad fight.
Wait, what?